Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Outlook account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security section in the menu. Click on it to access various security options for your account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. In the Security Settings, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Turn on Two-Step Verification. Follow the prompts to enable two-step verification. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Set up backup options. Before starting recovery, use the sro.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Outlook account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your recovery options secure and accessible.